Facials have long been a popular skincare treatment, offering not just relaxation, but also a range of benefits for the skin. Here are 10 fascinating facts about facials you may not know. First, facials go beyond cleansing. They deeply exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and encouraging the growth of new, healthy ones. Second, regular facials can improve circulation in the face, which brings more oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving it a natural glow. Third, many facial treatments include massage techniques that help relieve tension, reduce stress, and can even diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Fourth, the products used during facials are often tailored to individual skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin, the right ingredients can make all the difference. Fifth, facials can help unclog pores and manage acne by removing impurities and excess oil. Sixth, some facials use advanced technologies like microdermabrasion, LED therapy, or ultrasound to enhance results and target specific concerns such as pigmentation or aging. Seventh, facials don't just benefit your face, they can also support overall health by improving lymphatic drainage, helping to remove toxins from the body. Eighth, hydrating facials can be especially effective for restoring moisture, especially after exposure to harsh weather or air conditioning. Ninth, professional estheticians can assess your skin during a facial, identifying issues and recommending the best at-home care. Finally, facials can be a powerful way to practice self-care, encouraging relaxation and boosting both confidence and well-being. Whether you're seeking clearer skin, anti-aging benefits, or simply a pampering experience, facials offer a rewarding combination of science and luxury that goes far beyond surface beauty.